When should NRIs inform banks after returning to India? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will give clarity on this now.
Neither in Foreign Exchange Management Act nor in Income Tax Act it is mentioned that voluntarily you should inform. But it is actually a good practice that you first inform your banker that you have come back to India. Generally, people who open a bank account in India, they without informing a banker, they go abroad. It will still become, they will become non-resident, but bank will be still resident. Then sometimes they will open an NRI account, NRO account. They'll come back to India, they will become residents, still they will have NRI, NRO account, they would not have informed. So both the cases will happen. So logically, the person has to inform the banker immediately after he returns, and his intention is very clear to him that he will not go back. Means better to inform the banker within a week time or maximum within a fortnight time. The same is the case when a person is going abroad, that I will be working in so-and-so country. So this is for your kind information, means your account will be redesignated as a NRO account. Your resident account will be converted to an NRO account from the date you leave your country abroad. So therefore, it is voluntarily only we have to inform. As far as Income Tax Act is concerned, no need to inform the Income Tax Department. It is by your number of days stay in India, your residential status is determined using your passport.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.